Alright guys, so in this video I'm just going to demonstrate how we're going to connect the swivel joint right now. This is a steam radiator which I basically just repaired the line. So I'm just going to show you now how I go about to connect the swivel line. Right, very simple. All you got to do is just wiggle it. Do not try to lift it, it's very heavy. Just wiggle it and it'll be perfectly fine. So you want to make sure that everything is lined up. You can just get it out of the way. You want to focus on one part first. Very simple. It's right here now. You want to make sure that this piece here is in like that. Get it in line. Just going to use this to walk it in a little bit. I don't want to lift it. Just like that. So you want to keep wiggling it until both sides are lined up. It's going to be a little bit. You want to make sure that everything is locking, well balanced. That's it. Basically, you don't need to do much. The flange is already there to accommodate everything. You want to make sure that you lock it tight enough. That's it. That should be good. Alright, next thing is just to put some color in, which is paint as well. So basically this is it, how to connect your flange. So to prevent rust, you want to minimize your rust by putting on back your paint. There are many paints that you can use, but the best one to use is a metal primer paint. It's very simple, easy to apply. You don't have to be a good painter to really apply paint on this work, alright? Very easy. Very simple. When it's dry, you can put on another coat on it. Then you just put on your covering on your hole, and that's it.